Saving with Shay. Look, you're always gonna get energy and excitement from me. So listen, we're going to CVS today. But first things first, yes. If you're new here, yes, you, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. Like, the likes be on low. I need the likes to be on like high. Definitely don't forget to like. What else? Make sure that you turn on your post notifications and miss on a video. So listen, we're headed to CVS this morning, y'all. Look, I'm sorry and I apologize if I sound like I just woke up. A girl dead ass just woke up. Like, jumped up out of bed this morning, like trying to put together some deals. And I'm just like, I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know how it's gonna go this week, y'all. I really don't know. But let me put this out there really quick. If y'all saw my community post yesterday, you know that, well, if you know is dead. All right, it's dead. For me, it's dead. I only had $2 in there, but I feel like if you learned anything from them being able to wash all the used ones from our accounts last week, you learned that since it was technically still working, to roll them really quick. So yeah, your girl was rolling them really quick. Just getting whatever I felt like the household needed. Things that, you know, we don't get coupons for. I stocked up on NyQuil. I stocked up on meds for Josiah. I bought a flipping mop. Like, I looked hella awkward in there with a damn mop. Like, I looked hella awkward in there with a damn mop. I bought a damn mop. Like, awkward. Like, could I have not been more obvious that something wasn't right? Like, why would I be in there buying a mop? But, yeah, I rolled them really quick. I know a lot of you guys, somebody said they lost, like $50. Like, I don't know. It's kind of like, it's a loss, but it's not a loss because technically I already used it. So it's like, it does kind of hurt though, because you know that it was there and now it's gone. I want to say that it died probably, today is Sunday, so I think it actually died Friday, to be honest. I only had $2 on a card and I know that it wasn't there anymore. It lasted for me 3 months. I know it lasted a lot longer for a lot of you guys. I'm happy with the time that I had with it. Other than that, you guys, let's head over to CVS and see what kind of deals we can get this week. So if you want to know what I did, what I got, definitely keep on watching. All right, so our first deal is on CoverGirl. Now this is a tier deal. It's either buy 2 get back 4 or buy 3 get back 7 with a limit of 1. So for this, we're gonna grab the also mighty cheapy pencils, priced at $4.99. Now for this, I'm gonna grab 3. Now I'll be using the 3 off of 1 coupon from our Smart Source 402, and that's gonna bring my total down to paying $5.97 out of pocket. But then we're gonna get back 7 in extra care bucks, making this a $1.03 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Axe body wash. It is buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 2. All right, so we're gonna grab one at $7.99. The second one is gonna be $3. We're using the BOGO coupon right here. It is expired. Hopefully it'll take off the max amount of $7.49. And then we're gonna get back $2 for each one. Fetch reward as well. It should make this a $1.50 moneymaker. Okay, so the Clairol hair dye is buy 2 get back 4, limit of 1. Ours went up in price. They're now priced at $9.49. So again, we're grabbing 2. Now for this, I do have a buy 1 get 1 free coupon that was in the Smart Source 326. Now we also have a digital for get 1 free as well. Now I also have a couple other digitals that are clipped. I'm hoping it'll take off the BOGO one, which will then bring it down to paying 3, getting back 4. And then I also have, I think, a rebate on Shopkick for 300 kicks, which is $1.20. So hopefully if everything works out, it'll bring this down to being free plus a $2.20 moneymaker. All right, guys, so this transaction was perfect. I went ahead and did all 3 deals on 1 transaction. And so perfect, y'all. So there goes the, I had to add a filler at the very top. There goes the Axe, and there goes the CoverGirl, there goes the Clairol.
Both my BOGOs did take off the max amount, which was awesome. There goes the CoverGirl coupons. There goes that clear off for $7.99, which is awesome. We rolled $14 in extra care bucks. I got back a total of 13 in ECBs, plus 4 on Fetch Reward, $1.20 on Shopkick, making this transaction a $4.20 moneymaker. I know we don't pay for razors, y'all, but I want to roll some extra care bucks. So this check deal, they are on sale for $6.99. It's also spend 15, get back 5. So for this, we're gonna grab a total of 3 of them. I'll be using a 4 off of 1 printable that I got from coupons.com. It is expired. I also have 2 digitals as well that should attach. That's gonna make our total down to $8.97. We'll get back 5, making them only $132 each. Now, if you have a 4 off 20, that would then make it free. And so, yeah. All right, so this deal worked out pretty flawlessly. There goes the 3 razors. There goes the printable. There goes the 2 digitals. I rolled $8 in extra care bucks, got back the 5. Again, netting it at $132 each. All right, so this next deal is on Garnier. I haven't did a deal on this in forever. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Also buy 2, get back 5. Now for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab the blackhead scrub, which is priced at $7.49 for the first one, $3.75 for the second one. I have a 5 off 2 coupon from our Save 402 that I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, toes, that it does scan for us. And then I also have a $2 digital as well. Not really sure what's going to happen with that, but if we at least get the coupon to come off, we'll pay $6.24, get back 5, making them only 62 cents each. All right, guys, this deal was pretty flawless. There goes the Garnier at the very top. There goes the $5 coupon. I used a $5 extra care buck, paid $123 out of the pocket. Subtotal and got back 5. So this one was pretty perfect. All right, guys, so I wanted to try the cheaper acts. They're priced at $6.49. It's the same deal, had to switch cards. And so the first one is $6.49. The second one is going to be $3.25. We're going to use this BOGO coupon, and the $7.49 should come off. We'll pay $2.25 out of pocket, get back 2 an extra care bucks, plus I do have Fetch Rewards for $3. I'm making this a $2.75 moneymaker. Now we're also going to grab the Axe deodorant, which is a different promotion. It's buy 2, get back 5. So we're going to grab 2 deodorants at $7.79. Again, use another BOGO. We'll pay $8.09 out of pocket, get back 5 in extra care bucks. Plus we'll get back $1.50 for each on Fetch Reward. I'm making them only 4 cents each. And there you have it. This was perfect, you guys. There goes a body wash at the very top, followed by the deodorant. Our BOGOs did take off both, the BOGOs took off the max amount for both of them, which is awesome. I wrote $10 in extra care bucks, paid 26 cents subtotal, got back 7 in extra care bucks, plus another 6 on Fetch Reward, making this a $2.74 moneymaker. Last but not least, this is not no deal, y'all, but y'all know I like to try some stuff, all right? So on the Ucotex, these little ones are priced at $2.09. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $2 as well. So I'm hoping it'll glitch, it'll work. It's a limit of 5, so I'll probably just grab 1, see if it goes through. And if it does, I'll go ahead and grab more on 1 transaction. A good way to convert these extra care bucks to cash. I did not try the one for $1.89, so I won't be able to let you guys know if that one works. And so, yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I am so sorry this video is going to probably be so late, but I have been so busy with the offer up today, y'all. It's like busy afternoon. But your girl made like $2.50, so I ain't even complaining. So I'm finally getting around to recording this clip. Small haul, really small, as y'all can see. But everything worked out good. All the coupons that I used scanned, everything that was supposed to attach or double attach as far as digitals did. I have a receipt for the Axe in review on Fetch Reward, and I've corrected it twice already. And it doesn't seem to be wanting to pick up these body wash right here. It picked up that one, and I got the deodorants, but the body wash, the original ones, I'm having an issue with. So hopefully I can get that resolved. I did do the Ucotex. I did one on a receipt by itself. Once I went to submit my receipt and I knew it was going to go through on Ibotta, I ran and grabbed the only 4 they had on the shelf, and then submitted that receipt instead. So if it resets for me tomorrow, I'll go ahead and submit that receipt for the single one, but I'm not going to include that
in today's haul. As far as our final numbers, everything you see here retails $111.83. This is $8.66 in sales tax. I had $64.45 in coupon CRTs and digital, so dropped the out of pocket down to $47.38. And then I walk away with $30 in extra care bucks, $10 from Fetch Reward, $1.20 from Shopkick. With Shopkick, one of my accounts, it said I had $4.50, but I couldn't actually submit on that account, so I had to submit on Joseph's account, and his only had 300 kicks, which is $1.20. $8.50 from Ibotta. I did have a 50-cent any receipt as well with that deal. So we got back a total of $49.70, making everything you see here free, making everything you see here free plus $2.32. So it's still a little moneymaker, which is really, really cool. I will probably most likely try to do the axe again some more this week. If UCO-Tex resets, we'll run with that one as well. I think one of my cards, I have a 4 off of 20 shave, so I'll probably do the Sheck deal again as well. And Clairol is a moneymaker, so it's like, why not? And so other than that, what else did I want to... Oh, Jojo, come here, bug. What's your emoji? Can you think of a new one that you have never used before?
A monster.
A monster? A monster?
Yeah.
A monster?
Yeah.
Why not like a clown or something like that? A monster?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you heard it. If you made it to this point in the video, I would love to see monsters. If there is, I'm sure there is a monster emoji. I would love to see it in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.